All right, I'd like to call Rahul Bhai on stage. Can we have him on stage, please? Yeah, please. Give him a huge round of applause. On kaise hota? Yes. So before we start off with the group pictures and everything, I just want to know your experience. I mean, you've just started off with the Delhi Daredevils. How has the experience been?
Yeah, it's been a terrific experience, and it's been really exciting working with what I think is a very talented young group of players, and it's been a really good start to the tournament. And like Zahir said, it's not so much about the results, but just the attitude of all the players, their willingness to challenge themselves, to push themselves at training. I think is something that's been really heartening from the perspective of all the coaches and the coaching staff and the team. Also, I think.
And how is Zahir Bhai as a captain also? I was dying to ask you this question.
Yeah, Zahir is, I think, taking out all his vengeance on all those batsmen captains that he had to play under and set ridiculous fields for him. So now he's having his own way and setting the fields that he wants. So no, I think he's been fantastic. It's been terrific. So it's been great to have him lead the side, and just his energy, his enthusiasm, and the fact that he's worked really hard over the last couple of months to get himself fit to play this tournament. I think it's been a tribute to the fact that how badly he wants to do well in this IPL.
Fantastic. It feels so nice. Rahul Bhai is talking like as if he's talking in a post-match presentation. I feel like Ravi Shastri, on the other end, asking him the questions. Thank you very much for that. Anyway, I'd like the entire team and support staff to please come on stage. Give them a huge round of applause, these guys. They're champions, all of them. Come on, everybody. Huge round of applause.